Hello and welcome to the MatrixChart Systems YouTube channel. My name is Steve and I'll be your designated driver throughout these videos. In this presentation, I'm going to show you one of the 7 strategies incorporated in the MatrixChart Systems. The MatrixChart system is able to filter out viable stocks that has great potential to rally. When you can filter stocks with proven strategies, then you can save a lot of time taken to manually study and separate out viable stocks. Imagine being able to find the best opportunities in the stock market in just a few clicks. Before I go on to explaining what this strategy does, if you haven't already checked us out on Facebook, do go ahead and like us, as we do post interesting insights on our Facebook wall, which you may draw some tips and interesting information about the stocks that you want to trade in. Also as well, if you have not checked out our earlier videos, you can do so now or after this video. This is because this video will definitely make more sense when you understand the concepts in videos 1 and 2. Okay, in this video you will see the Rebounding Signal Near Low strategy, when to enter a viable stock or how to time market entry point, and how to find opportunities to exit the market for profits. In other words, timing exit profit points. Watch and listen very carefully. This could be your year to win. Let's begin. The Rebounding Signal Near Low strategy. This is a strategy that will allow you to filter stocks that are already trending upwards but still have good momentum to rally some more. To explain it in simple words, you are looking at entering a stock that is already trending upwards for more profits. These stocks will display minor retracements or corrections before rallying again. So what we are trying to do is to catch these opportunities to enter again for the rallies. If you look at the visual, what we are trying to do is to find out where the higher lows are so that we can take part in the profits. Simple? Let's go to the system. There has been many inquiries coming in from various parts of the globe. Yes, the MatrixChart Systems is available in many markets. And today, we're going to look at American stocks. So I'm going to filter NASDAQ for the strategy Rebounding Signal Near Low. Okay, we're going to filter NASDAQ. We select watch list. Price range from 0 to 1000 is fine. And we're going to take 2 years for the period range. And we're going to select a date that is closest to us right now, and we click screen. For a more detailed walkthrough about how to filter stock, check out our earlier videos. Now we're looking at NASDAQ. As you can see, these are the filtered stocks that has triggered the Rebounding Signal Near Low strategy. In the future, we'll be posting videos on this channel about how to read these 3 bars. Essentially, these are the top indicators to look at before deciding to go into any trade. Let's take a look at Apple. Okay, once you click on Apple, you will come to this chart. Okay, let me just give you a bigger overview of the period range that we have selected to look at, which is the 2-year period, so that you can see some of the things that the strategy could do. Okay, and let me just remove some of these things so it's clearer for you as well. Okay, as you can see, over the last 2 years, there were many opportunities triggered by the Rebounding Signal Near Low strategy. In fact, the creator has made it so simple, he has created arrows to tell you where that you need to go into. Okay, let me just walk through the steps at which you would take if you were using this system. Okay, let's just imagine that we are probably in the November-December period. Okay, let's just say that we're in the November-December period and we were looking at Apple and we're looking at the Rebounding Signal Near Low, and we realize that we have missed this opportunity. So what do? We look for the next better arrow. Okay, so let's look for the next opportunity. Okay, the next opportunity came up at this point. Let me just label this for you. Okay, this would be the point of the 20th of December. Okay, the 20th of December. Okay, at this point it was triggered, If you miss this, the next day you can also enter at this point, because even better, because the next day the T momentum actually triggered a signal to tell you to enter because momentum is building up. Okay, what do you do after you enter? After we have our timing market entry, what we do is we put a stop. Okay, we are here to make money, but we also want to protect the money that we have. Okay, so capital protection is very, very important. How we do this with the MatrixChart system is we look for the highest possible horizontal point of this red line. We call this red line the pathos line. Okay, whenever the price touches the pathos line, it actually tells us that there might be a change in the direction of the trend. Okay, so that's a very good indicator of when to stop out. So we put a stop to protect our investment. Okay, so let's move along now. Next thing that you want to look at is when do we exit, right? That's a big question with a lot of investors. How do you know where to exit and when it's actually nearing the peak or at its peak? Okay, with MatrixChart system we have a very special trend momentum, which actually tells us how much momentum a stock still has to move up even higher. Okay, this is shown in this histogram over here. So what you want to do is you want to pay attention to this histogram. Okay, what you want to look for is a little bit of a green color popping out from the orange. Okay, as you're doing this, we'll be moving out our stop. Yes, because the pathos line is moving up as well. Okay, we are looking for a little green on top of the orange. As you can see, it was on the 31st. This little green here is actually telling us it's moving from the orange, which is the strong bullish sentiments, to the green, which is the mature bullish sentiments. Once it's maturing, it means that it's telling us it might be slowing down. Okay, so the magical number that we're looking out for this green is 70%. Okay, once it's hit 70%, it's actually telling us that it's a good time to get out. In fact, it crossed a little bit on the 14th, so the next day it's probably good to exit for profits. Okay, so this is the timing exit profit point. The T momentum is telling us that at this point probably gonna peak soon, so it's a good time to exit for the most profits that you can have. Okay, so let me just label this as well. Okay, if you exit here, that would be the 15th of February. You'll be exiting at $514. Okay, in the overview, we will see okay, so we entered here on the 20th or 21st of December, and we will have exited here. We entered at 396.69, right? And we will have exited for over $500. Okay, that is a great profit. Okay, so that is an example of the rebounding signal near low strategy. That's what you do. You find the opportunity through the indicators, look for the arrows, enter, put a stop to protect your capital, and then look for the 70% on the T momentum for exit profit point. So ladies and gentlemen, that is the rebounding signal near low strategy. This is a great strategy, especially in today's times when some of the stocks are already trending and you want to make use of this to gain some profits. Thank you for watching this video. The MatrixChart Systems is available for purchase. For more information, please go to www.MatrixChartSystems.com and contact our sales rep. Please like and subscribe our YouTube channel for the latest updates on the system and how to use it. The next video will be talking about the features and tools in the MatrixChart Systems. It's going to be quite substantial and it's quite exciting. Thanks again. See you in the next video.